found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah.
What's poppin'? Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. And as I said, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube channel art or YouTube intro video, however you choose to call it. So majorly there are three apps that I use when trying to, or rather when I did mine, when I was playing around with trying to make my intro video, and I finally got the I got to know about it and everything. So I use PicsArt, this one. I use Inshot and Videoleap. So first we go to PicsArt. We go to PicsArt. Sorry. Pick a picture. Pick a picture, any picture that you would want to use for your channel art. So I picked this because I like it, yeah, and that's me. So then you go to tools, go to free crop. So you might want to use this one, but then it could come out nasty. So I take this and then I drag it all over the area I want to crop. Do you get? Like this. Now this is what we have here. Yes, we might want to redo it because I missed out the part. Like this. Yeah, so you click here and you are done. Now here you have a sticker, so you save. Now depending on you might want to do more than one. You save to photos, yes. Then you might want to have more than one sticker art. So okay, let's pick another of my pictures. Random. Okay, I'll use this. Same thing, free crop here, and to just drag over it this way, and here then click this. You have this sticker. I don't really like how this turned out, so I'm going to redo it. So again, let's make it more precise. Yeah, drag over, and there we go. Do I like this? Nah, I don't. Okay, yes, it's not that easy trying to free crop, it's more like you're trying to make it into a sticker. Well, we're going to make do with this anyways, so it doesn't have to be perfect. You save, download photo. That's saved to photos already. So next I go to Inshot. Yes, Inshot. Here, this beautiful app. I go to videos, new. Before that, sorry, you have to download a background from Google download, but my data is turned off, so I already downloaded one. And this is it. I already downloaded this, yeah. So you download any background, basically any background you want. It could be a flowery background, anything at all. Just download a plain background or something that has artwork or whatever. So you go to Inshot. Now the background you downloaded, you pick it up from photos. You see, that's it. Then it's already turned into a video because I didn't. Let me go back. I didn't click on photo, because if you click on photo and you click on this, it's just going to come as a mere picture. Do you get? So you click on video, new, go to photo, then click on that particular one, and you have the picture as a video. You can see it's 5 seconds, so you might want to increase it to 10 seconds because that's about it. That's about how long your intro video should last. Then you go to canvas. You click on, you can see the different canvases we have, and all, but we're doing this for YouTube. So 16:9 ratio 9 is fine. You zoom in so it's perfect like this. It's perfect. Now here's what we have. It's a video. So you want to put the pictures you already turned into stickers on it. So you just click on sticker, click here, picture, choose from camera roll, then click the picture you already edited or cropped out. Then you can decide to place it however you want to place it, this way, that way, whatever way you choose to place it. So I'm placing mine that way. Then you drag to the end of the video. Yes, drag to the end of the video. Then you might want to place the other sticker. It's not compulsory though, but however you want it, you can place the other sticker there. But I think I like just one. Yeah, I think we should go for just one. Let's go for one. So this is cool. You can increase, you can drag anywhere you want it to be. So now we are going to edit. You want to know how your picture is going to drop in. Should it come in like this, like this, like this, however you want it to come in? Can you see that? So how do we want it to? I don't really like too dramatic yet, so I'm going to go for like this. Let's go with this, but let's reduce it a bit. So just slowly. Yes, that's good. Now click OK. Then we're going to go to text. So now you want to put what your channel is all about. So let's do lifestyle, beauty, and vlogs. Yeah, don't forget the gossips. Yeah, so this is fine. Then you might want to edit the text, to whatever text you want. Yeah, I like this, but you can see you have different ones, but I like this Daniel. Then you can also edit the color. Okay, but I like black. Yeah, makes it look more professional. So lifestyle, beauty, vlogs, gossips. You also want to edit how it comes in, right? So we can do this or this or this. Let's go with this. Yeah, 5 seconds. It's fine. You might want to reduce it. Then don't forget to drag it to the end because it's staying till the end. Yeah, so basically this is what I do on this app. Yeah, because I can also do the text of the name here, but we'll see that in Videoleap. Now you want to save. It's saving. I hope you guys are enjoying this video and you're learning a thing or two, so you can put it to good use. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe. We're not done yet, so keep watching. So now it's been saved to my gallery. Then we go to the final app, that is Videoleap. Yes, so it's opening. Yeah, so now in Videoleap you want to take what you already have, that project you already have. Yes, look at it. Yes, so now you must have downloaded you just go to your Safari or whatever app you use. Okay, because I turned off my data. All right, let me put it on. Yes, you go to click to subscribe button, green screen, something like this. Anyone that has a green screen, can you see, guys? So videos, you just go to click the subscribe button, green screen. Make sure you download anyone that has the green screen. All right, so now I'm putting off my data. Yeah, anyone that has the green screen is what you should download. So now I already have one downloaded, so I'm going back to Videoleap, and then I click on mixer. I go to the video that I already downloaded. Yes, that is it. So you see this is the one with the green screen. Anyone with the green screen, if you download anyone without the green screen, it's not going to work for what we are doing. So it has to have the green screen like this. Crop it, make sure it's just the green screen showing with the subscribe, blah blah blah. This is what you have. Can you see? Okay, let me increase my volume. This is what you have, guys. So now you're going to scroll and click on chroma. So on chroma here, you're going to just tap and drag, so you see the green is off. Then intensity, because you can still see some green patches, just increase the intensity. Yes, and there you have it. So 51 is good for us. Then you go back, you drag, you can put it here. I think here is good. Increase the size however you want it, drag it to the end. Okay, this is just 6 seconds, so we are putting it here because this is where we want it to start from. So you see that. Yes, then now we're going to go to text. So I wanted to put the name here because I like the edits here. So we are going to go to text, double tap to edit, and you tap your channel name, Ashalewa Fadaini. Yes, good. Then you want to choose font, whatever font you want. I think this is fine, or this, or this. I think this is okay. So we want to take to effect, so this effect here, but I don't like this color, so we're going to change the color to black. Okay, I think black is fine, white is also fine, black, guys. So reduce it. Yes, then you might want to start from the beginning or however you want it to come in. Then go to animation, how you want it to come in. Should it fade? Should it scale? You see, should it fade? This is how it comes in. Okay, I think I like fade. Let's increase it. Yes, so this is what we have, guys. Can you see that? So this is how your intro is going to be. Now you might want to choose music from here, but I don't like the songs on this app, so I'm going to export whatever quality you want here. Full HD, great for bigger screens. Yes, so I'm just going to save to my photos. Yeah, so whatever works for you. You don't have to put some particular things. You don't have to do exactly what I did. Just use the steps to achieve whatever you want. So now I'm going back to Inshot, and I'm going back to videos. I'm picking up what I edited in Videoleap. This is it here. And okay, music tracks, you have different tracks here that you are free to choose from. So I'm going to pick from this and intro. Yeah, I don't know why it's not making any sound, but we're going to use it anyways. Increase the volume. All right, I would save it and then come back to show the finished work, so maybe by then it will have a proper sound. Saving and done. So guys, at the end, this is what the whole intro video looks like. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.